Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're making pineapple upside down cake. It's a really easy and delicious cake. You all are going to love this one. So let's jump straight into this recipe. Let me show you how I make it. We're going to start by mixing our butter and sugar into a paste. If you wanted to, you can melt the butter and mix it into the sugar. That's another option. I just prefer doing it this way. Once you have that paste, we're going to put it into our cake pan. I'm using a 10-inch round. You can also use an 8-inch round cake pan. Put in your pineapple rounds or rings and then add in your cherries. Set that aside. Let's cream our butter and our sugar until it's light and fluffy. Remember, all of the measurements you see on your screen can also be found down in the description box. Once it's light, we're going to go in with two pieces of orange peel and add in your eggs one at a time. Incorporate before you add in the other. So once the first one has been incorporated, go in with the second egg and mix that in, and then you'll add in the third egg and make sure it all comes together. Now make sure you remove that orange peel before you put your cake to bake. I'm going to go in with a few drops of yellow or orange food coloring. This is totally optional, or you can use some turmeric powder. In goes some vanilla essence, and you're going to give that a good mix. Now I'm adding some cake spice to my flour, baking powder and salt, and we're just going to sift that over that butter mixture. Now we're going to start folding this in, and you're going to start adding in your orange juice or pineapple juice. If you wanted to use milk instead, of course you can. You can use almond milk or regular full cream milk or whole milk. And you're going to mix, and you'll see how it will get really nice and light and fluffy as it looks here. Now from here, we're going to pour this out into our prepared cake pan, and you want to spread this out evenly. Now if you use an 8-inch pan, you will get a higher rise when you bake the cake. Because I used a 10-inch, I noticed it was not that high. This bakes at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for about 40 to 45 minutes until when you put a toothpick through it, it comes out clean. And this is what it would look like. You want it to cool down a little bit, and then you're going to flip it over and unmold it. How beautiful does that look? So all you have to do is cut, serve and enjoy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Thank you all so much for joining me today. If you're new to my channel, I hope you like and subscribe. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye everyone.